Hi everyone, my name is Basil Masahud from 8 Kamagong, and today I'll tell you how to clean and sanitize your kitchen properly. Let's start with dishes. Now, first we must remove all waste or soil left on the dishes. When washing a knife, always be careful as there are sharp edges. Same goes for scissors. Now it's time for the plates. Don't forget to use dishwashing soap. First comes the glass. When cleaning glass, put in your sponge and twist. Once done cleaning the inside, clean the outer rim. Now it's time to clean sharp objects. Careful when doing this. If dirt or food is hard to scrub away, use the abrasive side or the hard side of the sponge. When cleaning the plates, scrub the whole thing. Now it's time to rinse our dishes. First, let's rinse our cup. Put the outer rim downwards and the bottom of the cup upwards. That will help it dry faster. Now, it's time for the sharp items. Be extra careful when cleaning the blade, and then you may clean the handle also. Now, when putting this aside, put it in a safe area where children cannot reach it as it is sharp. Now it's time for the plates. Now it's time to clean the sink. Our plates has just been washed, and you can also see the mess I have created. We must use a sponge cloth as it is one of the best materials to use when cleaning. First, we have to rinse with water. Now, we must use the sponge cloth to start cleaning any excess water. As you can see, I've completed cleaning. Once we're done cleaning, I put the sponge cloth right here, and I will take these dental wipes, not sponsored, to sanitize the whole area. Once we're done using this to clean our area, we do not waste it and throw it away. This could be used to mop the floor. And let's mop the floor using it as it is still good. Now I need to vacuum the floor just in case there's any harmful dirt or dust. Now, this is the end result after all of my hard work cleaning. You can see the sink is sparkling clean. The dishes, they're air drying. And the countertop is as clean as ever. You can see I have mopped and vacuumed thoroughly as there is no more dust or dirt. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to sanitize and clean your kitchen. This is important because there are germs, bacteria, dust, and dirt everywhere. They may contaminate your food, your family, and you yourself. Stay safe!